Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First things first, look at this new dresser my boyfriend, fiance made, and also look at this repurposed nightstand. Everything looks amazing. I love it so much, and today we're going to put my clothes away into this. So yeah, we had a bunch of laundry that was already ready to go. This tub completely held all of my fiance's clothes. So that's fun. I can't even imagine. I've been taking up so much room in our room because there's just been no place for my clothes to go. And he's been living out of a box. So yeah, here is much delegating and trying to figure out where all of our clothes go. So I'll let you listen to the music and hopefully enjoy the full sequence. I don't know who your favorite YouTubers are to watch while you're getting ready, but my fiance and I absolutely love watching Tiffany and her family from Beauty and the Beastins. We are addicted to it, and it's such good family content. It just feels good to watch. I guess I could also mention while I'm talking about it in the video, but in the 4 open holes on top of the dresser, my Jacob is going to be making crates or baskets to put in there so we can put all of our undies and socks and things up in those boxes. Sorry for the shaky camera. I was getting into the old dresser and taking my jeans and things out. Alright, same sweatshirt, different day. I'm going to take you guys through the rest of my laundry routine, putting stuff away, folding towels, folding the rest of our clothes, and putting them away. Because, I don't know, I hate laundry, so we gotta get it done. Let's do it. Welcome to our unfinished basement. I absolutely despise being down here because I feel like a bug is going to crawl out on me at any second. So to be honest, I don't do this side of laundry very often. Jacob does most of it because I hate bugs. Like, I'll just say it. But it's starting to get colder, and he did go ahead and spray for bugs for me, so it's not so bad. So I went down and did this part. I get anxiety even watching this. Jacob just decides to throw all the towels around after I get done folding them. I don't know if anyone else's boyfriend, fiance, or husband is like that, but it drives me insane. And back to putting it all away. To finish off, we're gonna hang up the rest of this stuff. And this dresser here is the old dresser I was talking about. I think Jacob has had it for years and years, so the drawers don't really work on it, and it just was not really working out for us anymore. And also, if you haven't guessed yet, none of my clothes really could fit in here. This is not very space efficient. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would be interested in me organizing and kind of shaping up our closet. I want to get a couple more things in there to make it easier to sort through my clothes and kind of get everything back in order now that we have our dresser again. I feel like I've been letting all of my other clothes organizing skills fall to the wayside because I just didn't have room for any of my clothes. And so now that I've got everything back up and everything in order, I really want it to be easier to use. So yeah, let me know if you guys would like a video on that. So here it is. So obviously I have my shirts stacked up like that. This drawer is going to need some help. I'm going to have Jacob make drawer dividers so that I can divide out my sweatpants and leggings and make that easier. Also for this drawer, divide up my jeans, colored jeggings, and black pants, and just have a space for everything. This drawer still has room to grow, obviously. And then these next two drawers are Jacob's, so there's his shirts folded up nicely, and this bottom one is work pants and hoodies. And then back to the closet, this hanging organizer here has all my work shirts and shoes in it. At least some of the shoes that'll fit in here. And then, like I said, my closet is a mess otherwise. So again, let me know if that's something you'd like to see. And then there's Jacob saying bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and have a great week.